come to the next topic of Hoffman ammonolysis reaction. Lysis means breaking. So for this is a mixture of amines can be prepared. So for Hoffman ammonolysis, we cannot get a pure amines. We are getting the mixture of amines. First, when you take one container, in the container you take a alkyl bromide, ethyl bromide with ammonia you have taken now. So it loses HBr. So we got a CH3, CH2, NH2. Already told you NH2 is a primary amine, NH is a secondary amine, N is called tertiary amine. We got a primary amine. In the same container, primary amine CH3, CH2, NH2 is again reacted with the CH3, CH2Br alkyl halogen. Again HBr is released. We will get a CH3, CH2, the CH3, CH2 two times with NH. So secondary amine we got it. So in this secondary amine with the HBr. Then again the secondary amine with the one more ethyl bromide. Again bromine is released with HBr. So here CH3, CH2 twice. Then one more CH3, CH2. So we got a CH3, CH2 three times with one nitrogen. It is a tertiary amine. Then again this tertiary amine with the one more CH3, CH2 Br. For a Br releasing, there is no hydrogen in tertiary amine, so we will get a salt. Three times here, one time here. So CH3, CH2, four times, N plus and square bracket. Outside we have written this a Br minus. So this is called tetraethyl ammonium bromide. NH4 means ammonium. So instead of 4 hydrogen, 4 ethyl group. So tetraethyl ammonium bromide salt. So we can call it in a common name is called quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. Next is substitution by the nitrite group, formation of nitrite. Nitrite NO2. So here Rx with the potassium nitrite KNO2. We can write it as a KON double bond O. Here K with the halogen KX is removed. So we got ON double bond O. So we got it ethyl nitrite. So this nitrite group, when you add with the AgNO2, this is KNO2, it's an ionic compound. AgNO2 is a covalent compound. So we are not getting, this is a ON double bond O group, we will get NO2. It is called nitro group. So water, this is AgXRNO2 is a nitro group. So as per I said, Rx with the KNO2 gives nitrite, but with the AgNO2 gives a nitrate. Why? That is NCERT question. Alkali metals are nitrite because the ionic compound and the bond between a KO is ionic. So the negative charge on oxygen is attacking the site. So in attack the oxygen site, we are getting that as nitrite. ONO only we are getting. But in this RONO, how we got means KNO2, ON double bond O. Oxygen bears a negative charge because the electropositive, it gives all the electron towards the oxygen, it takes up. So this oxygen minus attacking this R. So what we are getting RON double bond O with the KX. Silver nitrite, it is a covalent compound. Bond between Ag and O is a covalent, mutual sharing only. This oxygen cannot dominate at all. So what it does not have the negative charge on oxygen atom. So hence the nucleophile attack occurs only through the lone pair on the nitrogen. So nitrogen only will be attacking. So NO2 will be attacked. This Ag O electron will go means this lone pair only is sharing to the alkyl group. So what R will take the NO, link with the NO. So substitution by the carboxyl group, formation of ester. So in this ester already we saw RCOO Ag plus Rx in alcoholic medium. This alcoholic medium is making this halogens very easily to come up. So what we got a RCOO R with the AgX. So next thing is called as a hydrosulfide group. Hydrosulfide group means alcohol in water medium to be used with any alkyl halogen with a sodium. It is called hydrosulfide. Sodium hydrosulfide. So NaX will go off. We will get a RSH. If you write ROH is called alcohol. RSH means thioalcohol. That alcohol is a OH is called ordinary alcohol. Sulfur content H is called as a thioalcohols. So SH is called thioals. So here alkyl sulfide group when you use. So this is alkyl hydrosulfide, and this is called as alkyl sulfide. So in this alkyl sulfide, sodium alkyl sulfide, it's called mercaptide. Mercaptide, mercapto. Thioalcohols are also called as a mercapto, and this is called mercaptide. So what NaX will be released? RSR. ROR is called ether. RSR is called thioether. So this is the way preparing thioalcohols and thioether by using hydrosulfide group with the sodium, and then alkyl sulfide with the iodine. We are getting thioethers. Next is substitution by azide group. Azide means N3 group is called azide groups. So formation of alkyl azide or X with the sodium azide. NaN3 is called sodium azide in presence of ethyl alcohol in a water. So sodium halogen will be replaced. So we are getting RN3. RN3 is called as alkyl azide. N3 is called azide. In coordination lesson, I taught this N3 minus is called azido. So it's a azido group bond. So it has a negatively unidentate ligand, I said. So RN3 is called azido alkanes. Substitution of alkenyl group. Alkenyl means triple bond compounds. So higher alkynes can be obtained. So Rx plus Na with the C triple bond C R alkenyl sodium. Here NaBr or NaX is replaced. R will be getting inside, so we're getting more hydrocarbons. So it is called higher alkynes can be prepared. Thanks for watching.